citizens' assembly is a group of people from all walks of life brought together to make decisions we can trust about important issues. They're selected, a bit like a jury, to be broadly representative of the general population in terms of things like age, gender, ethnicity, and level of education. The members of the Assembly engage in facilitated discussions informed by expert testimony over a period of time, weighing up the pros and cons of different policies and proposals before recommending a way forward on complex or contentious topics.